Morning guys, mag-lesson tayo ngayon about rule of square sa chess. So sa rule of square, gagawa ka ng diagonal using the pawn. Then, using that diagonal, gagawa ka ng square. Then, kapag sa square na yon, nasa loob yung king tsaka yung pawn, yung king ng kalaban tsaka pawn ng puti. Kunwari black tong kalaban tsaka puti yung dala natin, maabutan ng king ng kalaban yung pawn. So ganyan, gawa tayo ng diagonal. So ito yung pawn, so gawa tayo ng diagonal. So ito yung diagonal. Ito yung diagonal. Ito yung pawn, ito yung diagonal. Ito yung diagonal. Then using that diagonal, gagawa ka ng square. So gawa tayo ng square. So ito yon, square. So sa square na yon, pasok yung pawn ng puti tsaka king ng itim. So dito, kapag yung puti is trying to push the pawn to promote, kunwari white to move, yan, first move, black to move, white to move, black to move, white to move, black to move, white to move, black to move. So before makapromote yung white, maabutan talaga ng black king kasi nasa loob ng square. Kaya yun ang tinatawag na rule of square. Bago makapromote yung white, kahit magpromote yan ng queen, capture lang yan ng black king. So sa rule of square may exemption. Anong exemption? Kapag yung pawn ay nasa starting position. Kasi dito sa very first move ng pawn, pwede siya mag move 2 squares forward. So dito, pasok yung rule of squares. Pero may kaibahan, may exemption. Kasi nasa starting